To other news now, a Manila court on Monday has found Rappler executive editor and chief executive officer Maria Ressa and writer Reynaldo Santos Jr. guilty of cyber libel. Ressa's associate, Ray Santos Jr., wrote a story back in 2012 alleging that a former Chief Justice maintained close ties with businessmen, including Wilfredo Keng. In 2017, Keng filed charges against Ressa and Santos Jr., disputing an intelligence report quoted in the article that linked him to drug trafficking activities. In an earlier statement, Keng said he filed a case to vindicate his name in court and allow Rappler to show the truth of basis of their defamatory report. However, Keng said Ressa and Santos didn't even attend to testify in the hearings, while he said, "I personally testified in the hearings because, quote, I believe I am telling the truth." Keng said he even reached out to the news organization and asked them to air his side of the story in accordance with the ethics of their profession as journalists for close to 7 months. Keng, through his lawyer, Attorney De Vera, negotiated with Rappler, which culminated in the preparation of a clarificatory article by one of the writers. Yet again, both accused did nothing. He also slammed Ressa's claim that the case is a suppression of press freedom. Manila Regional Trial Court Branch 46 Judge Reynelda Estacio Montesa sentenced the two to imprisonment ranging from 6 months and 1 day to 6 years. Defense counsel Theodore Te, in a press briefing after the promulgation, said they are studying their options, including possibly appealing the case to the Court of Appeals.
Dahil nakamaskara po. And the judgment is a judgment of conviction for both Maria and Ray, but the court exonerated Rappler as a corporate entity. The judgment is for cyber libel, and the sentence of imprisonment is from 6 months and 1 day to 6 years of imprisonment. On our motion, with no objection from the prosecution, the court allowed Maria and Ray to remain free on bail, using the same bail that they previously posted. Obviously, legal steps forward would include questioning the decision and the appropriate proceeding, whether a motion for reconsideration or an appeal. We have 15 days from today to make that decision.
Taken alone, I think the decision for me is devastating because it essentially says that Rappler, that we are wrong. I think that's, you can look at the body of evidence that is there and see, taken in the context of everything that has happened to us, the fact that the case, I now still face 7 criminal charges. It's not unexpected. And at the same time, again, I feel like we will keep fighting. I think this is a blow. It's a blow to us, but it's also not unexpected considering that we are going to stand up against any kind of attacks against press freedom. Freedom of the press is the foundation of every single right you have as a Filipino citizen. Next year will be my 35th year as a journalist. I began as a reporter in 1986, and I have worked in so many countries around the world. I've been shot at and threatened, but never this kind of death by 1,000 cuts.